Right, after the Penrhyncoch Penrhyncoch game, 4-2 win for Penrhyncoch. Julian, how did that work out today? How good was that?
In the end, it was a good game, but first half I don't think we moved the ball fast enough. And then when my mate Shaun Cavanagh came on, it changed the game. You know, he was getting on the ball in the 10 position, and in the end it turned out comfortable, even though there was a late scare.
A good goal today. 25 inch screamer.
25 millimetres, I think.
Sliding in, made it 1-0. So that's not bad after how many weeks out, Julian?
Yeah, 12 weeks out. Just getting back up to fitness now, so hopefully I can just kick on and help the team out.
And get enough goals to pass your mate, who is top scorer,
Mr.
Mr.
Cavanagh.
Cavanagh.
That doesn't matter. Just
Does
as long as the team wins and both of us are scoring, we're happy.
You're happy. Is he happy? That's top scorer, Penrhyncoch.
Yeah, I am happy. I think he's panicking a bit now because I'm banging the goals in with him. So, but it's a good thing, like you said, for the team. It's a good thing for us to bang the goals in and get the 3 points.
One of the top scorers is full back as well, Griff John.
Yeah.
Great goal today. Well worked from a free kick of 25 yards from goal. Well worked.
It's a bit of a last minute thing, to be honest. He wants to take it, but I was adamant that he wants to.
I would say we've worked on it in training, but I don't think we have.
It's never going to happen.
It was on the spot, but
it's
it paid off. It's good to see that, you know, other players are chipping in as well, all around the pitch.
So it's Flit next week. Team that's trying to cash Penrhyncoch. What can you give them next week?
It's going to be a competitive game, but I think on our best day, if we can play like second half and raise it again, I think we will beat them. But it's going to be a battle and tough, so we'll see.
It's a difficult game at Flint, wasn't it?
It was difficult, yeah.
I think we've got a bigger picture as well to
bigger pitch.
Play more football, and hopefully we've got a better standard, to be honest, when we rise it up. But like you say, if these come there next week, hopefully we can turn them over, perform good, get the 3 points and keep chipping away at Airbus, who are top of the league. Have lost this week again now, so chipping away, hopefully the results will go our way. So yeah.
Well, Laurel Hardy, diolch yn fawr iawn.